In this project, we're making a countdown clock using a 7-segment LED display, an RTC module, and an Adafruit Pro Trinket microcontroller. A simple 3D printed enclosure will house all of the electronics and sits nicely on a desk or mounted on a wall. To assemble the display, align the dots on the backpack with the ones on the PCB and carefully insert the pins. Pieces of tape can hold the two parts together while soldering. Just make sure the displays are flush with the PCB. We recommend using a pan vise to hold the PCB in place while soldering all of the pins to the backpack. Then you can remove the excess with a pair of snips. 4 connections are chained between the circuit, plus an extra wire for the Pro Trinket and RTC module. A great way to easily chain these connections is to use a piece of flexible PCB. You can cut out a small strip using scissors and save the rest of the PCB for future projects. Check out our guide on the Adafruit Learning System for a circuit diagram and demo code for setting up the countdown date. You can type in your desired date in the Arduino sketch. The RTC breakout uses a 12mm coin cell battery to keep track of the time. To power the rest of the circuit, we'll use a micro USB cable connected to a 5V power supply. You can 3D print the faceplate or optionally cut it out of a different material. We cut ours out of acrylic, and the faceplate press fits over the display, so it's easy to swap out the design for any other theme. So we set this up as a clock of doom, which gives us a grim reminder of the time that we have left. And although it's kind of morbid, it does give us perspective, makes us aware of the passage of time and how precious it actually is. But depending on what you want to do with this, it's a great project for making a countdown clock. So whether it's for a holiday, a birthday, a special event, or upcoming trip, this is a novel way to keep track of it.